Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. Okay, it's glad to see you again in this video. Okay, at this moment, at this good opportunity, pada kesempatan yang baik ini, I would like to explain about, okay, could you see this one? Do you speak English? Okay, if we do not speak English, okay, let's learn more about English itself. Okay, this one. Okay, could you see three emoticons here? There are three emoticons. Okay, could you guess that what will we learn on this video? Coba, ada yang bisa nebak gak apa yang ingin kita pelajari pada video kali ini? In this video, I'd like to elaborate about obligation, prohibition, and also suggestion. Okay, obligation. Maybe one of you have heard about the meaning of obligation. Okay, the meaning of obligation is kewajiban. And then prohibition, larangan. And then suggestion, saran atau masukan. So, at this moment, I would like to talk about prohibition, obligation, and also suggestion. Okay, obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. Okay, obligation. As I said before, that the meaning of obligation is kewajiban. Okay, so you have to follow the pattern, that I shared in this slide. Okay, this one. There are must, have to, and has to. Are to used to express obligation. Jadi must, have to, and has to digunakan untuk mengungkapkan sebuah kewajiban. As an example, you must study hard. Okay, you must pray to God Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Kamu harus berdoa atau beribadah kepada Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. It is an example of obligation. Okay, this one. Subject plus must, have, or has to plus verb plus object. This is the pattern or the formula of obligation. And then the second, prohibition, larangan. Commonly, when we talk about obligation, we just need to say don't do that. Jangan lakukan itu. Don't do this. Okay. Don't go away from me. Jangan jauh-jauh dariku. Don't skip this video. Jangan lewatin video ini. Okay. It is talking about prohibition, larangan. Okay. Don't plus verb is used to express prohibition. Okay, generally, umumnya, or basically, the pattern or the formula of obligation, we use don't plus verb. Okay, and then the third, suggestion, saran. Okay, should is used to express suggestion. Okay, sometimes, we use the modal should. Jadi kita gunakan modal atau kata bantu should, to express suggestion. So the pattern is subject, okay, plus should plus verb plus object or adverb. As an example, I should take a bath early. Saya harus mandi lebih awal. I should go to school early. Saya sebaiknya pergi ke sekolah lebih awal. So, this one. Okay, now we are going to look at the expression of an obligation. Jadi ungkapan tentang sebuah kewajiban. Okay, you have to study English. It means that we must or we have to study. Because study is an obligation in our religion. But we are not talking about religion. We are talking about English. Okay, you have to study English. Kamu harus belajar bahasa Inggris. They must finish their duty. Okay, we can say duty or duty. Okay, it's not a problem. When you say duty or duty, it just different between American and British style or British accent. Okay, this one. They must finish their duty. And then the third, we need to clean the room. Ya, kita harus ya membersihkan ruangan. Oke, need to ya sama seperti have to. Oke, so we can use another modals ya, another word ya to express about obligation. Jadi bukan hanya kita menggunakan must, have atau has to. Kita juga bisa gunakan need to ya dan lain sebagainya. Oke, the next, I have to wear my uniform. Saya harus pakai seragam saya. He must come on time. Dia harus datang tepat waktu. We must come on time. Oke, we must watch this video. Kita harus tonton video ini. Oke, they have to learn about math. They have to learn about Islamic religion. Nah, mereka harus belajar tentang agama Islam. Oke, have to means that we express an obligation. Kita mengungkapkan sebuah kewajiban. Okay, you could see in this slide, yeah, there are a lot of expressions of obligation. Next is expressing prohibition. Okay, the last, I have told you about expressing an obligation. Okay, at this moment, at this time, okay, I will tell more about expressing prohibition. Saya akan katakan lebih lanjut tentang mengungkapkan pelarangan atau nggak boleh. Okay. Commonly, pada umumnya kita gunakan don't. Okay, don't open the door. Don't go away. Don't play truant. Okay, don't go out from the class. Jangan keluar dari kelas. Okay, don't sit on the bench. Don't sit on the table. Okay, but also we can use they are not permitted. They are not allowed. Okay, to buy food outside the school. Mereka tidak boleh membeli makanan di luar sekolah. Okay. They are not allowed atau they are forbidden, okay, to go Jakarta because they have not a SIM card. Mereka belum punya SIM, jadi mereka dilarang untuk pergi ke Jakarta. Okay. Second, ya, don't play truant. Nah, jangan bolos. Jadi kalau kita bilang jangan bolos, don't play truant. Nah, kalau ungkapan yang don't step on the grass, kita sering temukan teman-teman. Ya, when we go to the place, kalau ketika kita pergi ke suatu tempat, ya, itu biasanya ada kalau ada rumputnya grass, ya. Di situ ada tulisan there is a notice, ya, that don't step on the grass. Nah, dilarang menginjak rumput. Oke, atau it is prohibited, ya, to cross the road. Ya, dilarang untuk melewati atau menyeberang jalan ini. Okay, next is expressing suggestion. Okay, we should. Okay, sometime atau we often express suggestion with using should. Okay, in this slide, yeah, I give another word, yeah, to express about suggestion. Okay, so we can also use another model, yeah, another word, yeah, not only should, ya, bukan hanya should, but also suggest or recommend atau ought to. Okay, this one, ya, look at the slide, expressing suggestion. We should respect our parents. Kita sebaiknya atau seharusnya menghormati orang tua kita. Selanjutnya, you should learn about idiom. Kamu seharusnya belajar tentang idiom. Atau, I suggest you to take an English course. Ya, saya sarankan kepadamu untuk mengambil kursus bahasa Inggris. Ya, I suggest you, ya, to get up early. Saya sarankan kepadamu untuk bangun lebih awal. Selanjutnya adalah you ought to. You ought to drink a fresh water. Kamu sebaiknya meminum sebuah minuman yang segar atau air putih. Oke? You should not waste your time. Kamu seharusnya tidak membuang waktu. You should not. Oke, ini adalah negative sentence, tapi ini bentuknya, ungkapannya adalah bentuk saran. You should not waste your time. Oke, this one, ya, there are three kinds of dialogue. Ada 3 macam dialog. The first dialogue, students, do we have to change the losing book? Ya, apakah kita harus mengembalikan buku yang hilang? Do we have? Do we have to change the losing book? Okay, of course, you have to change it with other book. Okay, and then the second dialogue. Should I tell you the truth? Ya, haruskah saya katakan yang sebenarnya atau sejujurnya? Yes, you should tell me whatever it's like. Kamu harus katakan kepadaku apapun itu. Ya. Selanjutnya, ya, may I pick up the flowers? Bolehkah saya memetik bunga? No, don't do that. Jangan lakukan itu. Okay, guys. Ya, we have just learned about obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. So I hope that you and me can get more knowledge, especially from this video. Okay, so don't forget to practice these kinds of expression by yourself dengan dirimu sendiri. Okay, thank you so much guys. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, see you on the next video. Goodbye. The last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.